Get ready to take your exam with confidence using the Kurzweil Read the Web extension with Lockdown Browser. We've designed a quick demo to show you how to use this text-to-speech tool on a Mac device. Begin by opening Lockdown Browser by selecting the magnifying glass in the upper right corner of your screen, typing Lockdown Browser and selecting it from the search results. Sign in if prompted. Select the Information button on the toolbar. The Information button is located at the top of the browser near the URL. In the Lockdown Browser information box, select Open Extensions Manager. In the Extensions Manager, select On for the Kurzweil Read the Web extension. Then select Apply. You need to turn on this extension and sign in every time you start a Lockdown Browser session. In the pop-up window, enter the username and password provided by Services for Students with Disabilities and select Login. The extension will display on the screen. Navigate to Courses in the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the course for the exam. Then select the exam to begin taking it. To start Read the Web, select where you would like the program to start reading, then select the play button and Read the Web will start to speak the text.
What year was Sam Houston State University founded? Option 1. 1990.
To stop the reading, select the pause button. Please be mindful that since we use Blackboard Ultra, you will not be able to see the text highlighted on the page, but you will still be able to hear the text being read to you. When you complete the exam, select Save and Submit. If you have questions, Services for Students with Disabilities are here to help you at 936-2943512 or disability@shsu.edu.